Hey, it's Megan here, and in this video we're going to be reviewing our Away Carry-On Suitcase, share everything we love about the suitcase, and why this has been our primary suitcase for over 4 years, which just goes to show how durable this suitcase is. So let's get into it. The first thing we love about this Away bag is how lightweight it is. It is a hard shell, so you might think that it has some extra weight, but it's actually super lightweight. I can lift it with one arm easily, which you definitely want because you do have to keep weight in mind when you're bringing any kind of roller bag. So we love how lightweight it is. It's also super durable. As I said, we have been using this bag for over 4 years in our travels. It has been to many countries, and yes, it is carry-on size, but if you do hit the dreaded gate check, or if you use a feature I'm going to be talking about later, you might have to check it. And so you want a durable bag in case it gets thrown around or anything like that. And we have never had any issues with either the case or the wheels. So super impressed with the durability of this. Now, speaking of the wheels, there are 4 360-degree smooth gliding wheels, which make this bag really easy to transport around in airports, but also if you're exploring a new city, if you have to walk to a hotel, these wheels are great. They have gone on everything from cobblestone streets to even being rolled through sandy roadways, and these wheels have held up and also are just really easy to get around. The next thing we love is the handle up top here. It is a pull trolley handle, and it has 2 heights that you can adjust to, which makes it really great for when you are navigating different areas. You have 2 different heights that you can use. We personally like the tall one because this gives enough length for you to slide another bag on top. So if you have a second bag, this gives the perfect length to hold that bag right on top, which is another thing that we love. Additionally, with the trolley handle, it has a handle up top that you can grab and also a side handle, both of which are great for when you are maybe having to put it on a scale at the airport or when you're lifting it into overhead bins. Now, this size does meet carry-on requirements for most major airlines, so you can carry it on and it easily fits into overhead bins, and thanks to its lightweight and all of the different handles, it's super easy to lift into the overhead bin space as well. Now, before we actually get into the bag itself, the other thing that's great for airport life is it does have a TSA approved lock on the top. So you can see the TSA lock there, and all you have to do is set your code, and then when you pop the lock, it gives you the zipper. So that helps you feel nice and secure as well. Now, inside of the bag itself, we have some more of our favorite features. The zipper, we've never had any issue with, and it is a super durable zipper as well. There's several things we love about the inside of the Away bags. There is a ton of storage for a carry-on bag. Now, it's suggested that this bag is for like a 3 to 5 day trip. However, we've taken this carry-on on 3 to 6 month trips because of all of the storage inside. So you obviously have your main pocket here, and one thing we love about the main pocket is that it actually, you can hook it here and you can pull the straps tight so that it creates kind of a compression compartment here, depending on how much you have on this side. You can see you have this pocket here to fit, you know, light things, or if you have cords that you're trying to keep away from all of your clothes and stuff, you can utilize this pocket. All the Away bags also come with a water repellent laundry bag, so you can keep that inside too, which is great. And then the star of the show is this side. This is the Away compression compartment. So if you are team packing cube, you may or may not even need your packing cubes in here because it does have a compression compartment. And like I said, we've taken this on 3 to 6 month trips, which has been fantastic. The other really unique thing about this bag, so you might notice there's this lining in here, which is all water repellent, and it's great, but you actually can take this lining out if you wanted to wash it or for any other reason that you wanted to take the compression pocket out. That is just a nice handy feature. And then it also has a kind of little secret pocket over here as well, which is a nice extra feature to keep if you want something, if you have something little that you want to keep hidden, or you could keep your laundry bag tucked away in here until you actually need it. Now, the last feature that we love and has come in really handy is that it does have an extender in it as well. This is another reason why this has been our primary bag for the last 4 years, because we can use it as a carry-on, but we also can extend it out and use it as a checked bag if we have a trip that we need to pack a little more for. So this adds an extra 2.5 inches of space, which equates to an additional 7 liters. And we have definitely used every single bit of that. The thing to know is if you do extend it like this, it's no longer going to be carry-on size. But again, like I said, this has come in handy for different types of trips. So overall, we absolutely love our Away bag. It is our go-to bag for every kind of trip that we go on. It is the perfect size for us to have that carry-on suitcase that's easy to lift into the overhead bin, but also allows us to extend it out if we have a bigger trip that we are headed out on. So I definitely recommend the Away bag, and I hope you enjoy yours too.